bit, but I also just wanted to quickly have an update on travel or TRVL because I have to go unfortunately. All right, so yesterday had a really good reaction, really powerful reaction yesterday. You see right before the close of the day, this was at 11 p.m. This is a midnight, massive buy up. It went from 5.7 all the way up to 6.1 cents. Then it was brought up to 6.4. On the other exchanges, it didn't go as high. It's a really strong reaction at the end of the day. That might have something to do with Bitcoin, but actually when you look at the candle structure, you can see we were coming into a daily level. It'd come way below it, and this lower daily level was slightly front run. Okay, so you basically, people are selling into liquidity levels. There is liquidity, and the bulls actually showed their face. You know, they reacted yesterday. This is a bullish reaction. Yeah. Obviously we're getting a little bit of a sell-off. That's probably got to do with Bitcoin. Okay. Again, it's good to see that we're seeing a reaction. That's a buying tail. It's good to see a little bit of reaction. If you look at the monthly candle, you see we had a reaction from the previous month high. So it's kind of what you want to see. You want to see a reaction. The month closes today. If you look at the volume profile, you see we've had more volume, but the price has descended significantly less than the previous month's volume. So it's not a bad. Obviously, we have to see how the month closes. It's not bad to fill the gap and to have a reaction off this kind of area of interest. Obviously we have to see how it closes today. I'm not like crazy upset about this candle. I think it's good to have red candles as you're going up, because eventually they form support, layers of support for the price. I see all the candles, all the potential monthly candles are looking quite good. Yesterday I tweeted, yesterday I didn't realize the price was going to go up. It looked like a little bit of some kind of sandwich pattern, which is a bullish reversal. Actually, we had a buy up. If the red candle had closed down here, it'd be a bit of a sandwich, which is a little bit of a reversal pattern. Because we had a little bit of a buy up, obviously it's very different to what I imagined. And what usually you get with these wicks is you still get the wicks fill. And so what now is happening is you're getting the wick fill, and maybe we'll have continuation. You know, it's possible. Again, it looks like we could be forming some kind of reversal pattern, but ultimately it depends where the price comes in, depends where the price settles down, and depends on whether the bulls are willing to take it up. Okay, so there's still a little bit of a battle between the bears and the bulls. I would be very surprised if the price doesn't go up after the month close of a red close. Be very surprised. Now, it might go down and then up, but I'd be very surprised if this is how this ends. And that kind of correlates to Bitcoin. Okay, so we are coming back into support. You break a major fib level, you come back to test the major fib level, and effectively that's not a bad thing. You know, you want to see that. So I'm feeling quite positive about TRVL. That buy up was really nice. Okay, it's nice to see that the bulls are still around. On my Twitter, I created a thread. I had this thread from before, but I recreated it because I wanted to just update it. So if you go to my Twitter and have a look, basically on my Twitter, right at the top, I've pinned it. I created this yesterday. I've called it the bullish case for TRVL by Dtravel DAO. And basically have a look at that. I create lots of different points as to why I'm bullish on TRVL, why I'm bullish on Dtravel. I go through everything that I can think of. So have a look at that. I think it's quite interesting. There's lots of links, and so people who are doing their own research might be interested to read that. And then obviously if you have any questions, you can just post them here. And if you like that information and you're invested in TRVL, then give me a like and a retweet and let's get the word, let's spread the word. Yeah, so let's get the views on this and let's get people more and more interested into. That's how we're going to do it. We're going to, as a community, we're going to work together and we're going to push this and get more eyes on TRVL. Don't really have much to say. I'll probably kind of do an update this evening on monthly close and take it from there. Right now all eyes are going to be on Bitcoin, and oh yeah, Bitcoin is